Beautiful. And while we're still warming up, let's do another two easy ones. First, let's change the title. So that's going to be the title of your application. Again, in my case, that is going to be Jobify. And second, we also want to replace that little icon right next to the title. And first, let's start with the title. And basically, the way we do that, we just navigate to a public folder. So this sucker over here. And more specifically in the index.html, we're looking for the title tags. And then as far as the favicon, the new one, the one that I'm going to be using, is located in the assets. And then more specifically in the images. And you're looking for favicon ICO. And then I'll show you the resource where you can get one for yourself. So I guess let's start with a title. First, like I said, we're going to navigate to index.html. For the time being, I'll close the sidebar. And then we're basically looking for the title tags in the head element. And then instead of React app, I'm just going to type my favs Jobify. So that should do it. Then we want to, like I said, take the favicon from the images. And in this case, of course, you can copy and paste if you want. But in my case, I'm just going to drag and drop. So you want to get the favicon ICO from the images into a public one. That's the goal. So let's move it there. It will ask whether we want to replace it. Yep, we do. And then the moment we do that, notice we get the favicon as well as the title. And actually, we can close the index.html. We're not going to need it, at least not for now. And then as far as the resource, if you ever want to get one for yourself, I enjoy using this one, the favicon IO. So once you navigate there, you'll have these options. In my case, I'm usually going with a text one. And then in here, you can provide the text, color, and you can read the rest. And once you're ready, you can just download, and then you'll get the zip file basically. And then you can crack it open, and then notice somewhere there is going to be a favicon ICO. You can add it to your project and you're good to go. So that should do it for the title and favicon. So if you have the same result, now we can move on to the next step.